In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make links clickable in Canva. Whether you're designing a professional resume, a sleek portfolio, or any document you want to share digitally, adding clickable links can make all the difference. It allows your viewers to connect with you instantly, whether it's through email, phone, or other platforms. And the best part, it's quick and easy to set up in Canva, so let's jump right in and get started. First, head over to Canva's website or open the Canva app on your device. If you don't already have an account, you can create one using the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to save all your progress, which is really helpful if you need to come back to your work later. Now, once you're in Canva, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a menu of design options for you to choose from. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on resumes since they often require clickable contact information, but you can use these instructions for other designs as well. In the search bar that appears, type the word resume. This will filter the templates and show you a variety of resume layouts to choose from. Using the search feature is much faster than manually scrolling through Canva's entire library, so it's a great time saver. Once you see the results, browse through the designs and pick a template that matches your style or the specific needs of your project. Don't worry too much about the colors or fonts right now. Those can always be customized later. Focus on finding a layout that works for you. After selecting your template, open it up. Take a moment to locate the section where your contact details will go. This is typically where your phone number and email address are displayed. If the template you've chosen doesn't already include placeholders for these details, don't worry. You can manually add them by using Canva's icons or text tools. For example, you can add a phone or email icon to make your design more visually appealing. Once you've identified or added the text or icons where your clickable links will go, click on the specific element you want to make interactive. This could be the phone number, the email address, or even the icon itself. By clicking on it, you're essentially selecting it for editing. Now, look at the toolbar that appears at the top of your screen. You should see a button that looks like a chain link or a link symbol. That's the link button, and it's what you'll use to add interactivity. Go ahead and click on it. Here's where you'll input the clickable link. If you're adding an email address, type manlo followed by the email address you want to use. For example, you would type mail2example@email.com. This format tells Canva that when someone clicks on this link, their default email app will open, pre-filled with your email address. If you're adding a phone number, you'll use a similar format. Type tel followed by the full phone number, including the country code if necessary. For instance, it might look like tel plus 12345678890. This ensures that clicking the link will open the phone dialer, ready to call the number. Once you've entered the link, press Done to save your changes. At this point, the link has been added to your design, but there's one more important step to make sure everything works properly. Open the preview of your design. This allows you to test the clickable links before you share the final version. Try clicking on the email and phone links to ensure they behave as expected. The email link should open an email app, and the phone link should bring up the dialer. If something isn't working, double-check the formats you entered earlier to make sure there are no typos. And finally, when you're happy with how everything works, it's time to share your design. To ensure the clickable links remain functional, you'll want to share it digitally as a PDF or an online link. Keep in mind that clickable features won't work if you print the document, but they will for anyone viewing it digitally. And there you have it. That's how you make your links clickable in Canva. Now your designs are not only visually stunning, but also functional and interactive. If you have any questions or need help with other Canva features, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.